Shipping your belongings during a move can feel confusing, especially if you have never done it before. The good news is that with the right plan, it can be simple, safe, and cost-effective. Shipping is often a great option when you are moving long distance, relocating internationally, or only moving a small number of items. Instead of renting a truck, you can ship boxes, furniture, or specialty items directly to your new home. The key is choosing the right shipping method. Parcel shipping works well for smaller boxes. Freight shipping is better for large or heavy items. Moving companies can also help coordinate door-to-door delivery, which saves time and effort. Before shipping anything, declutter and ship only what you truly need. Pack items securely, label everything clearly, and always compare quotes so you understand costs, timelines, and insurance options. Shipping your belongings can give you more flexibility and less stress on moving day when done the right way. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.